Today, me and Jensen are doing 6 total calisthenics strength challenges. We're gonna be testing who's stronger, who's more skilled at calisthenics, and who's faster, because we fight about it all the time, so it's time to figure it out. And to increase the stakes, the winner gets a prize. They get a new pair of AirPods, and the loser gets to watch the winner use their AirPods.
I hope I beat you.
We asked you guys what was the most impressive skill to try, and you guys said the muscle up, which is really great for him and unfortunate for me.
Can we pull up first? We can't just go straight to muscle up.
Why not?
Because that's crazy, it's fucking 2 degrees.
I'm gonna do some pull-ups to warm up, you're gonna do some pull-ups to warm up, then we're gonna rest a second, then we're gonna attempt the muscle up.
I suspect that Emily is stronger than me.
I feel more warm. Wait, do you want to go first or do you want me to go first? Here's the thing, Jensen can do a muscle up. I can't do a muscle up.
I can't do a
Today might be my first time. Okay, Jensen, lead us off. Give us a good start.
I'm gonna try.
Come on, come on, come on. Hey. It was a bit of a chicken wing. Not that you can help it though, because there's like a thing right there.
Yeah.
But this is the best that we got.
I think we need to do a different
Our
park.
area doesn't have a good calisthenics
We're
park.
gonna redo this at the gym.
So this is what we're, no we're not.
We're
No, we're literally not.
And gym.
It's funny because I'm the editor of these videos, so okay guys, I'm gonna do my attempt now. Wish me luck. Any tips?
Swing. There's a metal pole in front of you though, so you can't swing. You got this. Oh! She got a chicken wing too! That's a tie! Muscle up is a tie.
I totally just cheated. Better than nothing. So I'd say we each get a half point. Is that fair?
Yeah.
We each get a half this round. Okay. Do you want to go again?
Yeah.
All right. Let's try again.
Okay.
Hey! That was like a straddle muscle up. Come on, nice. Let's go. How do you feel you did on that?
I feel awesome. I haven't done a muscle up in months. That was great. I couldn't swing. I couldn't swing because of the metal pole. So I just thought open my legs and it worked.
Great.
So I went up there with the hype of jump and then swing and then boom.
You're saying that I need to do the muscle up but then like straddle my legs.
Yeah, you know when you jump off that box and you've been training to do it? You
Yeah.
Jump off the box. Just pretend like that and just jump.
Okay. Here we go, guys.
You didn't jump onto the bar. Oh, I guess you can't, you're too short.
No. Fail. Let's go on to the next exercise. Round 2. So round 2 is going to be max weighted pull-up. And since we only have one weight vest, do our max pull-ups with this weight vest, which Jensen thinks is 20 kilos. This is not 20 kilos. Are you joking? This is like maybe 15 kilos. I don't know. 15 kilos, like 30-ish pounds. My American friends.
It's 10 kilos, 22 pounds.
Okay.
Emily is going first.
I'm going first. I just did the muscle up. I mean, I actually didn't do the muscle up, but I deserve a rest, no? Fine. I like that I'm taking like 30 seconds of rest between muscle up and this exercise. That's really strategically good.
You don't have to zip it up.
I want to. I need to be thorough. I actually can't zip it up. Okay. I feel heavy now. I feel real weighed down by the weight of things all of a sudden. Here you go. Oh, so high. I'm out of breath. I need to do more cardio. No, I'm not. I wanted to get 9, guys. I was going for 9. We didn't make it. Didn't quite make it. It's fine though. Redemption will be sweet. Vengeance will be sweet.
I've never seen a girl like do a weighted pull-up and Emily's just cranked out 8 with 22 pounds.
Oh, there are so many girls who can do weighted pull-ups.
So it's my time to shine and I am not feeling confident after seeing Emily bust out 8. I was thinking if I get 5, that's good. But now I've got to beat 8. 4.7 pull-ups for me. Emily, you nearly doubled me. How?
Are you happy with that result?
I'm happy. Well, I would be happy if I got 5. Would have been happy with 5. Nearly got there. But you beat me. Well done.
Don't act so shocked.
I know.
I'm stronger.
You're not faster though.
I am faster!
You're never gonna beat me. Rivalry is who's faster.
Who's faster? I'm faster.
She thinks she can beat me in a 100-meter sprint, but do I look like a sprinter or does she look like a sprinter?
One should not underestimate small people. Round 3. Let us know in the comments if you're voting for Team Blue or
Team Red.
Okay, round 3 was either gonna be max dips or max push-ups, but I asked my Instagram friends which one, and they said push-ups. So, Jensen's starting off with this one. So it's 1 minute max push-ups. I'm gonna count your reps. Are you ready?
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 Yeah.
Set, go.
I'm going for 4 rounds of 10 here.
You're at 30 seconds.
Oh shit.
2. 5 seconds. That's it.
I'm just disappointed with my performance for Team Red there. Oh, 33 push-ups.
That's pretty good for a minute.
No.
It's like a push-up every 2 seconds.
I thought I was being
It's pretty
smart
good.
with the breaks, but I think that was my downfall. Your turn.
Okay, it's very cold out, guys. Tasha ain't a food. Okay, I'll stop talking. Ready?
Oh, 36, 37.
Time.
Nice, 37. High five.
37. So that's a point for me.
I know.
So Jensen got muscle up, I got pull up, and I got push up. I'm in the lead.
No!
Let's fucking go.
What's next? Is it pistol squats?
It's wall handstand holds.
What the f***? What the frick?
Round number 4 is max wall endurance handstand holds. And the reason that we picked this one, guys, is because we figured Jensen was probably at an advantage for the pull-ups.
And the muscle up.
Round number 4, wall endurance handstand holds.
Let's do it together.
Let's do it together. Love the
This
spirit.
floor is gross.
It is gross. All right, we're facing you guys. So you don't have to stare at our butts the whole time.
Are you gonna?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the thing. How are you feeling, Jensen?
Are we doing feet on the wall?
Yeah. As opposed to freestanding? We could do freestanding, but...
No, thank you. I'm feeling a little bit blood rush to the head.
Oh, it'll match your outfit.
Yeah.
That's nice.
How long we been going?
20 seconds.
I'm gonna make it to 30.
You're at 30. Keep going. Get to 40.
I'll go down. 38 seconds for me, and we're still going.
Down.
The blood to the head is so much.
No.
Like my feet feel freezing and my head feels rushed. Oh, dizzy. You got a minute?
I stopped after like 40 seconds, 5 or 50 seconds. I think I'm the winner of that one. Okay, here, because you're at a disadvantage at the moment, you can choose. Do you want to do pistol squats or max bodyweight squats for 1 minute?
Squats.
You want to do pistol squats?
Yeah.
That's harder.
No, it's not.
No?
I don't like bodyweight squats.
Don't be a sore loser.
No, come over here. No. 1 sec. She said I'm at an advantage, but Emily, please turn around and face this way. Do you see why I'm not at an advantage?
You do know that pistol squats are primarily a quad exercise, not a glute, right?
Oh yeah, look at those. They look pretty strong. No,
We have to have one leg
that's
exercise.
glutes. I ain't got no glutes. We're doing pistol squats. 1 leg pistol squat. So you pick your favourite leg, how many you can crank out without the leg touching the floor. You can rest, but
In 1 minute.
You're not allowed to touch the floor. Sure, we'll cap it at 1 minute.
All right, you first, Jen.
Boys team, team red. Let's go with pistol squats. See how many I can get. One leg. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. My leg's cramping. This one. Oh. No. Let's go one more. Let's go. 7. I'm pretty sure that was 7.
7 pistol squats! Nice. My turn. Guys, I haven't trained pistol squats in a second. Like, a very roasty toasty second. All I have to beat is 7. I don't want to be embarrassed by this one. This is the only one that I can't lose or it's bad. Oh boy, all right, do that. Okay, yay! All right.
Hang on.
So Jensen won first round for the muscle up, I won for pull-ups, and I won for push-ups, and I won for wall handstand holds, and I won pistol squats. So I'm at 4 and you're at 1. So you actually can't win if you want to.
We've only got one more left.
Yes, which is the only one that really matters.
The sprint.
The sprint.
Then I can prove to you that I'm faster than you. Our whole relationship, she is full that she was faster than me.
So here's the thing, Jensen doubts my speed.
Are those fighting words?
So we're gonna
go sprint, but I can't win because it's 4 versus 1.
Pretty much, yeah. Let's go to the track.
My mum asked me if I was prepared for the entire internet to see me lose to Emily. And I was like, yeah, of course, because I didn't think I was going to lose. You're so strong, Emily.
We made it to the track and now we're doing our warm-up. Finally made it to the track. We're gonna warm up and then we're gonna race.
There's Emily finishing up her warm-up lap.
So we found the line here and the end is all the way down there. Jensen just went to go find an angle to set up the camera. Here's the thing, guys, I'm an athlete. I'm competitive in nature. I think Jensen's underestimated how driven I am to beat him right now. I think he's underestimating me. I think I won.
No, I won.
No, I think I won.
1,000,000% I won. My thighs are burning. You're so fast.
We're playing that back. Jensen crossed the finish line like a half a step ahead of me.
I won by 1 step.
Nah.
I popped the boosters
I
on.
want to rematch.
You were so fast. I expect you to be way slower.
Nah.
Half a step.
No.
I won. We can do a rematch. You ready to go again?
Yes.
All right, let's do a rematch. Get me
Take
clear
2.
winning this time. 3, 2, 1, then go. Slow down at the end there.
Was that on purpose?
No,
Good.
it's just tired.
How do you feel right now?
I feel like I won. I feel like a champion. Thank you very much, Emily. Red team winning. Speed Demons. That hurt my thighs so much I felt like they was going to explode.
No way, your thighs felt it?
Thighs. Maybe that wasn't optimal running technique. It was definitely bad running technique. This is Emily post sprints. Give us a twirl.
Oh no, we're in England, so it's kind of muddy here.
Apparently the track's muddy. How did she manage to get mud on her lats from sprinting?
Okay, it's official. Jensen won the sprint challenge. He's just barely faster at 100 meters.
My legs.
You know what?
My arse cheek's dead.
We're up to 200 meters. I'm set on beating him.
No,
This is not over.
I'm gonna pass away at 150 meters. High five. So Emily won 4 against 2. 4 against 2, you won. Emily gets new AirPods.
All right, let's go get AirPods. I need to be faster, guys.
I need to be stronger, apparently. I think
gotta beat this guy.
We should run this back at the end of 2026.
See, that's the issues. I'm not gonna let up. I'm too competitive to let up on that.
End of 2026, let's
So-
run it back. Leave it in the comments if you think we should run it back at the end of 2026. She won.
AirPods acquired. Soon I'll be able to completely cancel out Jensen.